Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Yes, I need to trim my hair. I think I didn't pay more attention to my hair these past few months. So today I need to trim my hair, keep my hair more healthy, because we have to choose healthy over length. I've already done this threading yesterday and I slept with it. I do all this threading, like thread this side is 3. So for it to help me to trim my hair, because this threading will help my hair to stretch so that I can see where I need to trim. Now I need to trim it so that I can trim those dead ends out. You need to trim out your dead ends, because if you do not trim out the dead ends, it will end up damaging the good ones, because it will end up coming up, cut, split ends, create some knots at the ends of your hair. And that is not good. It will end up causing hair breakage to your hair, because your hair is not healthy. But if you choose make out time to be trimming your hair maybe every 4 months, okay, if you think that 6 months is okay for you, you can be trimming your hair every 6 months. But for me, I think trimming my hair every 4 months is okay for me. By now my hair would have been stretched so that I can be able to know the length of my hair and trim out the dead ends. So right now we need to remove this thread.
In order to cut this thread, because I need it so tight yesterday, I need this first to cut the thread. Yeah. Because I need tight of this thread. Okay. So
So guys, in this one I will show you all another method how you can trim your hair. Okay, this method is different from the first one that I did. The first one that I did, you just have to trim, then you twist. So this second one, you have to first twist your hair, then you now trim it. Okay, so that's the difference. You can choose the one that is suitable for you. Is either you trim first, then twist your hair, or you twist your hair, then you trim. Trimming your hair, you don't have to trim out a lot of hairs. You only need to trim out an inch of your hair, okay? But the reason why I'm trimming a lot of hairs here is because I left my hair so long without trimming it. So as you can see the tips of my hair, I already have a lot of dead ends on my hair. So I need to trim out more than an inch because I already has knots on my hair, which is making my washing day very difficult for me. So I need to trim out those dead ends out of my hair. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also comment in the comment section. When last did you trim your hair? What do you think about hair trimming? Do you think that it is necessary for us to trim our hairs? This is how much I trimmed out. Okay. So I have a very soft hair. You can see very soft hair. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I always know each time I upload a new video. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye.